The goal of EPLAN is to produce all the engineering documents your project needs, from the very beginning to the final stage. From the design and drafting phase through construction, installation, and even maintenance. EPLAN covers the entire project lifecycle. Every technical drawing and report you need can be created right inside EPLAN. When we say project, this can mean anything from designing a single control panel to developing the complete power system for a factory or production line, or even the electrical layout for complex industrial machines and equipment. So, using EPLAN, we can prepare all the electrical documentation needed for any project of any scale, whether it's related to control panels, cables, or devices connected to those panels. Basically, any component or equipment that has an electrical section can be documented in EPLAN. In short, every electrical element within a system can be represented and documented using this software. That's one of the key strengths of EPLAN. Now, before moving on, let's talk a bit more about electrical panels themselves, since designing and simulating these panels in EPLAN is one of the most important topics in this course. It's a major focus area that we will explore in depth later on. In general, electrical panels are known as the central hubs of any electrical system. They connect a wide range of electrical devices, systems, and components together. These include sensors, switches, and other input elements that send commands to the control panel. On the other side, we have actuators, devices that receive commands from the panel, such as lights, low power consumers, and high power consumers such as electrical machines and different types of motors. Depending on the project, multiple panels may also be interconnected in one system. For example, local control panels that are linked to a main distribution panel. Other subsystems may also connect to these panels, such as network devices or monitoring units. These can include heating and cooling systems, ventilation, and even industrial displays. All these systems can be connected and controlled through the electrical panels we design. EPLAN helps us model and document every one of these connections accurately. This also includes visual indicators, control devices, and monitoring tools. So, displays, meters, and operator panels are all part of the same documentation process.